Hello. Title: Using 2 gel sheets with 3D printed tools and thin wire. Dear viewers, in this video, I want to show you the exciting possibilities of using 2 gel sheets while using 3D printed tools and thin wire in the creation process. During the video, I alternately show how I use the 2 gel sheets and show how I draw circles using the thin wire. During the creation, I achieved very interesting results by alternately using the 2 gel plates and the 3D printed tools. This allowed me to create different layers and dimensions in my creation, and the end result was stunning. I will also show you how I use the thin wire to draw the circles, and how I fit them into my creation. The use of thin wire adds new dimensions to the creation and allows me to create unique and exciting textures. Using the paper positioner was also key during the creation, as millimeter precision allowed me to reposition the gel plate again and again when applying multiple levels to the creation. This method greatly contributed to the final result being precise and coordinated. I hope this video will inspire you to explore the exciting creative possibilities of 2 gel sheets and 3D printed tools, as well as give you ideas for using thin wire and paper positioners. Thanks for joining me on this special creative journey, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to share your own experiences and creations with me. Thank you for watching the video, and I wish everyone a pleasant viewing and inspiring moments in the world of creation.
Rozczesała, rozpościła złote włosy. Ostatnie, nie daj
sista